Hello, welcome to my gallery, everybody. I'm going to go over some of our favorite products. Let's start with wall art. This is an acrylic. What's so cool about acrylics is that they require no frame. The way that it mounts is right here. It's very easy to do. It comes with a template, so you just stick it on in there and screw it on. Metal art and acrylic art are very similar. The difference is this is literally on a thin piece of metal. You can see by the back, that's how you put it on the wall. It's pretty cool because it's literally just one little nail in there and your picture is on the wall. These are very light. These aren't heavy at all, like very light, but they're beautiful. And what's so cool about them is that everything looks so lifelike. They're very vivid. If you're looking for very vivid, you're looking for an acrylic or a metal piece. So this is a standout. The back of it has these so that you can easily put it into the wall. And then on the front here is your photo. It has a black frame. Next is a canvas. Canvases are very, very popular right now. What I like about our canvases is that one, they come with feet so they don't slide on your walls. All of our canvases are backed so that they don't get wonky in the frame. Our wraps wrap the entire picture. Nice about canvas is that it doesn't have any glare. All of ours come with luster coating so that they don't fade. Classic printing options in all shapes and styles, with or without frame, are also available. Let's talk albums. There are several different types of albums out there right now, and I have two favorites that we use here at One Sweet World. I have other album styles available, but these are by far the most popular and the ones that I personally like the best. So we're gonna start with my favorite underwater option. This is an acrylic. It has a beveled edge going around the entire thing. So this is basically like having a piece of glass on the front of your book. So when we open her up, it's linen. So if you wanted to write a note in here, leave a message, you can. I went with a metallic option inside this book. So as you can see, there's a little reflection to it. See the width? These are hard boards. All of the pages that we use are hard. The metallics we choose for underwater to give it a little bit more life. This is a thick book, as you can see. It's 100% genuine leather on the back. Any color you want to go on the back of this. Another favorite item that I have is my framed album. This thing is cool because it is framed when you're not using it. So if you put it up on your shelf, it's inside of a frame. Let me show you more. Okay, so one of the cool things about this is that you pick, this is leather. This is 100% Italian leather. You pick the color there, and then this is a piece of plexiglass held together with, these are magnets here. If you can see them, that's a magnet. And so you can put your plexiglass off to the side, and this ribbon is how you get your book out, see? And what's cool about that is that you also pick your ribbon color. You pick the backing color for your book. On the front, I went with matte for this one because I wanted to show you guys the difference, but this is a matte cover, same thing. Inside black, so the thick pages. This one is matte printed. As you can see, it still works for underwater as well. And just like that, it is that easy to get your book back in its frame and back on your shelf. Stands up by itself too. Let's not forget cards. Cards are so important, whether it be the holidays or senior year. We do flat cards. We do have folded cards available as well, but flat cards have become very popular. Again, I like to go with the things that are nice and thick. All of our cards are customized to you. So for instance, this is a graduate's card, and they picked lots of pictures of them. They had their name on it, and then on the back where he was going to college in the fall. I like to keep them 5x7 because if you don't put any words on it, then you can just go ahead and throw that bad boy in a frame, and you just gave all of your people a 5x7 of you. Whether it's a Christmas card or if it's a senior card, what have you, every single one of them comes with envelopes. This is just a standard white one, but they do have them in foil. Let's talk photo gifts. So there are a ton of options for photo gifts. Things that have gotten really exciting and popular this year include an acrylic standout, which is an actual block, and also what's called a frosted block, which is a piece of glass. Yard signs are available. We have lots of things that are not part of our gift shop. The things that are in the gift shop are things that you can do on your own. The other items that are not available, such as canvases, acrylics, metals, all that kind of stuff, I make sure that it is perfect. Custom art is just that. It is custom. It is custom to you. On your personalized website, there are lots of gift options available. There is an option to buy right up here in the upper right-hand corner. When you click on the photo, you can either visit the shop. There's some quick print ideas right here. There is an option for prints. There is an option for photo gifts. There is an option for greeting cards. There's also an option for digital downloads. All right, gang, thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of my product series. I am gonna go ahead and give you a big thanks by giving you a coupon code to save you 10% in my fine art gallery or on your personalized website. By entering video 10 at checkout, you will save 10% on whatever you purchase online. This does not work for in-gallery purchases or wall art such as canvases, etc., but it does work for prints that you need, gifts that you need. Save it, give it to your family. Video 10. Thanks so much, and thanks again for letting me capture your memories.